Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the app and tapping a text field. That action calls up the keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, notice layout and suggested words. These speed typing by predicting your text. If you need another language or emoji, tap the globe or settings. Doing this early prevents wasted corrections. Make sure autocorrect is set how you prefer, because it rewrites typos automatically. This saves time and reduces errors as you continue. You type using whatever method feels fastest, 2 thumbs for speed or 1 finger for precision. Once you type, tap to position the cursor and hold drag to select text for deletion or replacement. This is faster than retyping. Make use of swipe typing to trace words, or switch to voice input when your hands are busy. These alternatives reduce effort. Also add text shortcuts for common phrases so you can expand short triggers into long sentences instantly. You finish by scanning the text for autocorrect mistakes and using the keyboard suggestions to replace wrong words before sending. Once done, press send or save your draft. If the keyboard freezes or lags, force close the app or toggle the keyboard off and on in system settings. That often clears temporary faults. If problems persist, reset keyboard settings or reinstall the keyboard app to remove corrupted data. And make sure your phone OS is up to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.